Some journeys don't just change your career, they change your confidence. Hi, I'm Tiisetso Tsita, a B.Sc Biotechnology student at CGC University Mohali. I'm from a small country called Lesotho in Africa. And I have enjoyed my time here in India with my amazing Indian friends. When I chose to study here, I was looking for strong labs, good teaching, and real opportunities in biotech. And this campus gave me all three and more. From hands-on practicals to supportive faculty and constant placement guidance, every semester has prepared me for the industry. Today, I am proud to share that I have placed with Vivnovation at a package of 22 LPA as an international student. This achievement is just not a number for me. It is more than that. It is proof that the right mentorship, ecosystem, and hard work can take you much further than you can imagine when you first walk into a classroom at CGC University Mohali. Trust me on that.